I'm just gonna make these two as safe as possible for the next 3-hour ride. Such bad timing.
It's never good timing. Make my shit straight, bitch ass nigga. No.
Beautiful day. Actually, a couple hours ago it was raining, so yeah, this is awesome. How are you guys? As you can see, kind of rained a little bit, so both cars aren't in the cleanest condition, but that's okay. All right, so today we are heading back to Edmonton for another show. I know we were there last week. What makes this show a little bit different is it happens in the evening, where usually when these events happen, they only take place in like from noon till 5 to 6, and then that doesn't give the 9 to 5 people an opportunity who are working on the weekends to visit the show. So yeah, this show is actually happening from 6 till 10, 11, 12-ish, and that's why it's called Midnight Rev Up. My brother is going to be taking the Supra, so I'm quickly just reinforcing the side skirt because he's never driven it, but he also has zero experience with low cars, so it was either this or this. Giving him this because it's automatic. I'm just going to make these two as safe as possible for the next 3-hour ride, and yeah, should be golden. I know, zip ties, really Birdy. I'm a street hunter on a Supra. I don't have time to use bolts and nuts, so I'm just gonna do this, a couple self-tappers and a zip tie and hope for the best. I actually trust the zip tie more than I do the self-divers. Hopefully that doesn't get caught on anything. Good enough. Hey boy!
Hey boy!
Welcome back.
Welcome back again for the next adventure.
Yeah, Edmonton times 2.
Then.
Oh, Gohan can hear when we're excited. Eddie, what up?
What up?
This time around, he's bringing that thing. You know, gotta show that one some loving too. The side bay. Actually, that's more your main now.
That's true. Spend more time with her.
Alright guys, let me show you how all of this, 2 tables, 3 suitcases, few boxes, and all of the merch, plus a tent, will fit into that thing. I vouch for any FRS BRZ owner. These are hella reliable and pretty efficient. Yeah. Okay. I accepted defeat. I tried to bring a little too much. Plus, I didn't use my trunk at all. Yeah. I'm pretty packed. I mean, I can still fit a passenger, but I still gotta drop this kid off. But luckily, we got a 4-door with us. Little sedan, man. Look at that, with room to spare. Okay, sweating balls. I'm gonna take a quick cold shower and then probably just wear a tank top and boxers. Let's get ready for the long haul. Hey, buddy.
Okay na?
See ya. Yeah, he looks okay. See ya, homie. We'll see you in a day, okay? Okay, bye. Don't worry. Experience from last week. We're gonna take it slow. Stay in the right lane the whole time. And my mom's like, no police. Always feel bad for my dog every time I have to leave him, especially for oh my god, my door's open. So when we get to the donut mill, grab donuts. We'll GPS it.
Okay.
And then we'll have lunch there.
Don't get too many donuts because this place I'm gonna get donuts here too.
What, they have donuts too?
Yeah.
What the heck? Okay, either or. We'll get both. We're gonna get lots of donuts today. Off to Shell.
Shell?
Yes.
Okay.
And then donuts.
Donuts.
Let's get this show on the road. Actually, we're on time. I said leave around 2 and it is 1:47.
Yo, I have a pump if you want to pump it as much as you can, but
What's crazy is like we're literally 3 minutes away from our destination, the donut mill. Yeah, but I felt it, popped the tire, and then it just started pulling to the right. Try that.
Well, it should be like
Double checking to see if I have my spare tire in here. Oh my god, I do. It's here, but I don't know if I have the tools. This is so incredibly dangerous. Okay, yeah, you know what? I'm not gonna go through the trouble. I'm just gonna put my tire back and we're gonna leave it in Red Deer for the night. Sure, you guys grab some donuts, okay? Here he is. How's it going, bro?
I wouldn't have been able to get that up on my deck.
No, eh? It's
No.
too low. If we can get this on, then I'll be able to drive it. It was like such bad timing.
It's never good timing, dude.
Yeah, fair. Of course, when it rains, it pours. Forgot we have a big brake kit in the front, so this can't even fit. Dude, Martin, lifesaver. He's actually, we tried everything, okay? Putting the rear wheels in the front, but they don't clear the big brakes. This thing obviously doesn't. So we're getting Martin to bring the tire to a tire shop 3 minutes away. He's gonna get it replaced and then we can make our way down to Edmonton. We're late for the show, definitely. We still have to wash our cars when we get to town, but that's all good. Such is life. Can't expect these things to always go that smoothly, even though you can plan for it. Like, I just left all my shit at home. I could have brought like spacers too. That's something I should really keep in the car. Spacers would have made that work. Friggin' trying to convince Eddie to come back here with donuts. Too lazy. It's only 3 minutes away. Come on, man! Funny enough, we met a supporter on the side of the road here, offering us help. What's your name, man?
I'm Jordan.
Jordan?
Yeah.
Yo, honestly, Jordan, appreciate you for even offering, man.
Thanks, man.
I'm gonna hook you up with a few like KMR accessories, whatever I have in here, man.
It's going up on YouTube?
Oh, totally, man. Yeah,
Sick,
yeah.
buddy.
A couple of air fresheners, and stuff like that.
Oh, man, you guys are awesome.
Oh, appreciate that,
Thanks,
dude.
man.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
well, if you guys need anything, like, you know,
No, for sure, yeah.
Okay, well, have a good one, buddy.
Of course,
It's
dude.
It's
Yeah,
awesome meeting you. I've been watching for you.
out of all the places, man.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Okay, drive safe.
Yeah, you too, man. Oh, that's funny.
Kids from everywhere.
Yeah. And so kind, like offering us help and everything. Probably had a toolbox. What the hell? Yo, I swear, this is like the 11th time that I've had to pull over in the middle of nowhere on a highway for some stupid shit on my car. But not the worst. And like he's been with me on 3 of those occasions. Look who decided to come back. What you guys got over here?
Hey!
I'm bearing gifts.
Good night! That's pretty bad good. Watch out for that river. I had to go pee over there and I didn't know. This like 6-meter gap is all water. Soak my left foot. Martin! Save the day! Fresh tire, wait, what? I have bad news, guys. Martin, oh my god. This guy, man, comes back here, says they have no tire. Oh my god. Yo, that's awesome, man. You got me good.
Oh, I haven't got you good. You haven't got the bill yet.
Better got about my way. This is start of a new day. Feel fresher than toothpaste. Singing out, this be the new thing.
You get those retorque, dude, okay? Because I can't stress enough how many times I take people out of the fence.
No, for sure, man.
You're fine to get to Edmonton. That's 150K. Go to a tire shop or find somebody with a torque wrench, okay?
For sure.
Okay, dude. Take
Yo,
care.
Martin, again, are you based in Red Deer here?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, appreciate everything, man. You enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
You too. Drive safe, okay?
Yeah, we will, man. Thanks again. If you're ever stuck in Red Deer, fellas. Okay, quickly. So we made it, but this is the car wash. Look at that. What the hell? Dips down like a V, so I'm gonna see if he can back in. Back up a little more. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know what that is, but it's like touching. Try a little more. Reverse. Stop. It's touching, dude. This car wash sucks. Sorry, Brett, you're gonna have to wash your car like that. What's up, man? We'll quickly position and yeah. What's up, man? How are you? Where's that? I know. Thanks for waiting. Yo, basically park beside mine and then we'll set up the booth.
Oh, what's up, Birdy?
Tuner decals, look at this. Yo, appreciate it, homie. Or stickers.
Yo, what? Made a holographic.
Yo, look at that. Never done holo on that. Oh, and the green Supra, dude. We made it. This one actually made it too. Funny is we only have like an hour at this show. So I'm gonna make my rounds, show you guys some of the cars that are here. And also, I mean, this vlog's gonna come out late on YouTube, but if you're here at this event, come visit us at the booth.
Oh, Susanna, don't cry for me. We had some good years, so let me be. The world goes on, I sang my song. I gave my own true love for you to see. Oh, Susanna, don't you cry. Hold the tears back and dry your eyes. What's this life without a sweet goodbye? And though it's over, take this letter for when the nights grow colder. Dear friends and gentle hearts.
Since all the changes, yeah? Holy crap, man, what the hell? Pistachio,
No more! Pistachio, no more! The coin slot only! Follow the coin slot!
looks good, man. Hold up. I know the Supra. These are our old fenders. Shout out to John. It's pretty dope, man.
I'm in the zone now, and I think I know why. Can tell from your eyes, this is not your first time. Another late night, vision with a blurred sight. You know what?
Probably my favorite car here. This Alfred, all VIP'd out. Man, looks so spacious in here. And believe it or not, these vans only go for like 7K imported. These wheels are fucking crazy. Alright, show's over. That's cool though. There's fireworks. What a way to end the night. Fireworks! Fire! Okay, follow the Supra.
We're going to the restaurant now?
No, follow them to the front. Yeah! Frick, man, these roads suck. Running on empty right now. Just grabbing some late night gas, midnight rev up, and then we're gonna head over to Oscar's. Right there, owner of this BRZ. Just attended the show, walked around for an hour, and then left. That was pretty much it, but hey, we made it. All of the 3 cars that left Calgary, and then grabbed some grub at what was the place called? Hanjan. It was a Korean barbecue place, but yeah, top-notch chicken.
God, do you have any clips by chance? The one-time use clips?
Yeah. I know, right? Oh, Vince. Dad Mobile.
Getting kids now.
We going in that thing, dudes. Alright, so we decided we are going to be leaving the FRS in Edmonton with Oscar. Because took a look at the driver's side tire and it's basically riding on wires. The same thing's bound to happen to this side anytime now, and we just want to skip that whole ordeal. Yeah,
it's like a fucking...
tire guy knows. Well, yeah, appreciate it, Oscar, man. Honestly, I'm gonna keep these with you. Oh, minus the house keys. I guess I'll be back for that in the next couple days. I gotta figure this shit out. Oscar, buddy, appreciate everything, homie. Yes, thanks for letting us sleep over, and yeah. We get to visit it finally, Brett. Donut Mill. Made it. It's like pop. Everyone getting donuts tonight. People staring, people staring. Bruh.
Which one you gonna get?
Take your pick. I don't know, man. There's so many. And so after all, we did end up going to the donut mill like we planned. If it weren't for my friend Brett for spotting me for the wheel and for driving the Supra, wouldn't know where I'd have ended up today. So big shout out to this man right here. It's all good. Even though I had to leave my FRS in Edmonton, I'll figure that out. But you know, half the adventure of life is not knowing what's around the corner. And it's just harder to be down and a lot funner when you're with good company. So no stress. It's so worth it. $2. Yeah, right.
They're all apple pies. Look at what he got. Just spit on it.
Triple.
I'm just gonna put my finger in.
It'll be obvious.
You make a hole. That donut doesn't have a hole in it.